fly like an eagle so high above the deep blue sea and mountains high.